If you're anything like me, you probably had no idea what affiliate marketing was when you first heard about it. All I knew is it was some kind of marketing. So in digging around for some kind of clarity on it, I came across videos of people talking about how they were making money with it, but there was no real clear explanation of how they did it. So let me break it down for you and we will get on with this video. So what affiliate marketing is simply product marketing. So a good example of this is, say you go watch a movie, you like the movie, and the next day you go tell your friend Bob about this movie. You say, "Hey Bob, you got to see this movie I watched last night. It is an amazing movie." In a nutshell, that's basically the role of an affiliate marketer. You're telling your friends, people online, or even business associates about a product that you like or enjoy, or even a product that you think could solve a problem for them. And when they purchase it, you get a commission as an affiliate. So that's the big difference here besides just sharing info with somebody. So affiliate marketing, it gets a bad rap when people play it off as an MLM or even pyramid schemes. And they play those off like they're actual affiliate programs, which they're not. They're completely different. They may use the same structure of payments, but that's technically affiliate marketing. Welcome to D&B for Freedom. My name's David Barnett, and this is my amazing wife, Brandy Barnett.
Hello.
If you don't know us, we are affiliate marketers, and we train people on our YouTube channel to start their own online digital marketing businesses. If you're looking to learn about affiliate marketing, you've landed on the right channel. What we do here on our YouTube channel is we teach people step by step how to build their own affiliate marketing business from the ground up. If you're a beginner or just looking into affiliate marketing, I can show you everything there is to know about it, and even how we do our marketing and start earning with it on the back end. So here we are on my YouTube channel. You can see it's D&B for Freedom. And if you scroll down from the top, we do have our playlists here, which are basically affiliate marketing training series. You'll start off with high ticket affiliate marketing made easy. And you've landed on video number 11 in this series. You're more than welcome to go ahead and watch this video all the way through, but it may be a little bit confusing as we've covered a lot in previous videos. So I do suggest going back to video number 1 and from there clicking on it and following along. Let me go ahead and pause this. We'll go down and click more right below the video. That will expand out our description. In the description, you got multiple links here at the top. So if you want to skip through the introduction in these videos, you'll just click on these timestamps here where it says training begins. That'll start off the official training in each and every video. Down below that is our product links. We do have our number 1 product here, which is HBA, the Home Business Academy. This product is our number 1 product that we promote in our affiliate marketing business because it pays out 80% commissions on all sales. And each and every one of those sales that pay out 80% commissions, it is residual income, monthly income, because it is a subscribe type service. So as long as the people that you sell to stay subscribed to that service, you get that residual income each and every month, and that builds up. That's how you get to that, 6-figure mark eventually, or whatever you're looking for as far as what you're trying to earn in this business. So in previous videos, we did mention our friend John. He is a 6-figure earner in the Home Business Academy. We do consider him to be an expert in this field. He has been doing it for about 5 to 10 years. And each and every year for the past 5 years, he's been consistently earning almost 7 figures, if not surpassing it a year or two of that time period he's been promoting HBA products. So go ahead and click on dmbforfreedom.com right here. You'll say get started here, HBA. That's where you get started. It's a $25 program each and every month. That'll get you your funnel builder and get you into the affiliate program with HBA, which, like I said, pays out 80% commission, so you can get a $20 payout each and every month for each and every sale that you put forth through the Home Business Academy. So without further ado, we're going to switch over to John's screen. He's going to go ahead and commence with the rest of this training. As always, we do appreciate you watching our videos and taking time out of your day to spend time with us and learn a little bit about affiliate marketing and creating your own online business step by step with us the easy way. So as always, we wish you all the success. Thank you for joining us. We will see you next time, and
happy marketing.
Happy marketing.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining me, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it. If you've never been on my channel before, let me explain how it works here. So I'm a professional affiliate marketer, high seven-figure earner. I've been in affiliate marketing for the past 5 years. What I do is train people how to do affiliate marketing using the programs that I'm using that I'm currently earning with. These programs have been tried and tested. I've been working with them for months and months before I ever put them out on YouTube here. And the one that you've landed on is what you're looking at right now. It's called HBA. And this is a platform that costs $25 to sign up and get started, and then you can use the tools that it has to actually start promoting it. And I teach you guys literally in this training day by day exactly how to do this. So it is perfectly fine if you're beginner friendly, or 100% beginner friendly rather is what I meant. So this series is actually, like I said, you're looking at it right now. These are my earnings for the last 30 days. Just so you know that this is real, what I'm going to do is refresh this. I'm just going to go to the last 30 days. You guys can see right there, it's $31,188 is what I've made the last 30 days with this. And I started this about 6 months ago. Let me just go back to July 1st till today. That's where I started. And since July 3rd, when I started working with this, I've earned $121,000. And you can see here how it ramps up. So the first month or two is a little bit slow. You're still starting to make some money and stuff. But really where you see the growth is like a couple months in. So July, August, September, about 3 months in, you can see it really started ramping up. And now we're at $30,000 per month just from this one platform. And it's going to do this for anybody. It just starts to snowball because what we're working with is a recurring subscription. So you're getting that recurring commission on this every single month. Now, that being said, a lot of times with affiliate marketing, where people stumble is they don't have a plan. They don't know what they're supposed to be doing. So that's the point of these YouTube videos. What I've done is created a step-by-step system showing you exactly what I'm doing, and I give it to you guys for free. I don't ever ask you for a penny. This isn't my company. I don't own it. I don't ever ask you for anything. I'm doing this for free, showing you exactly how I use this and how I've been able to grow this account. And you guys can just follow along. So if this is your first time here on this channel, this is the first time you've watched this video, what you need to do is go down into the video description. It's just below the video. You'll see a button that you can click to open. And in that video description, you'll see a link at the very top that says click here to get started. You can click that link to sign up. But the other thing I want you to do, if this is your first time here, is start at the beginning of this playlist, because we're halfway into our training right now. Like, we're in the middle of our training. I think we're on video 10 or 11 right now. And actually it's video 11 right now. And so you're going to want to start at that very beginning, so you see what we're doing, the tools that you're going to need, which really isn't, it's only one tool that we're really using. We're focusing on daily, and that's an emailing system that actually generates leads for us. So we use that system every day to send one email. It literally takes us 10 to 15 minutes every single day, and I give you the emails to send. So, and you don't have to find any of these people. That's what we're using this system for, because it provides the leads for us to email, and these ramp up over time. But to really understand it, go back to the very beginning of this playlist that you're watching right now. You can find that in the video description as well. There'll be a link to this playlist, and you guys start there at the beginning. I explain it all in detail, what's happening, and then you guys can jump in and join. Right now, I'm just going to continue into my training, so enjoy. You can watch this if you want, but again, you may be a little lost if you don't start at the beginning there. And if you guys are just following along now, keep following. Let's jump into our MLGS account, okay? So we're going to jump in, log into our MLGS account today. Doesn't matter which account. Hopefully you have 5 accounts that you're using. If not, 2's good. I've said this before. The reason that I keep bringing this up is because as you guys start making money here, what you need to do if you have less than 5 of these accounts is whenever you're getting money come in, just use that money to reinvest and buy another couple of these accounts until you have 5 of these accounts. With 5 of these accounts in a year, you are emailing 365,000 people every day. So that's what we're focusing on right now. Is I'm going to have these videos coming out all year long. We're going to do 365 training videos, and in this time, we're going to each watch how well our accounts grow using this process. And you guys are going to be able to follow along with my account too, because every day I'm showing you my account, what I'm making with it, what I've made the day before. Like you can see right here, today I'm at $620. Yesterday I was at $1,300. The day before $1,680. So you can follow along and literally watch me grow as well and watch your own accounts grow. Okay, so we're all doing this kind of in this together. So let's go to our mailing system. What I've done is I've created the email for you. If you remember, we did start out writing our own emails. I didn't want to take too much time. I want to keep these below 10 minutes so you guys can just jump in, get this done, and go on about your business. So I'm writing these emails for you myself. This is the email we're going to be using today. So you can see the subject. Oh, let me just change that to body. I don't want to confuse anybody. The subject here says 100% done for you. System works 24/7 for you. Okay, that's a great title, by the way. I think that's going to work great. Hi, first name. People are ecstatic with this new system. It's fresh and trending. You've got to see it now. That's where we're going to add one of our links. You don't need to do anything special. Just check it out and then imagine the huge amount of cash moving into your account. It's only available for a few more hours, so you must take advantage now. Click here to start right away. Sincerely, in your name. So let's go back over here to our affiliate dashboard. We're going to copy our link, and that's always the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the one that works the best. I have used a lot of these other ones, but that one works the best. And we're going to just go add that now to our first line of text. So we're going to highlight it, right-click, insert link, paste it in, click apply. Scroll down, go to our next one. We're going to highlight it, right click, insert link, paste it in, click apply. Okay, so here you go. That's ready to go now. Let's just copy the body of this email. Copy it. Mailing system. We're going to select all our leads. Going to scroll down to the body. Control V to paste it in. You have to hold down Control and press V to paste it in that box there. You can right click and paste up here in the subject line, but you do have to hold down Control and press V to paste in the box there, the text box or the body of the email. Okay, let's copy this subject line. Go back over here to our mailing system and paste in our subject line. Okay, so let's just start at the top here. We've selected all of our leads. We've added our subject line. We've added the body of our email. It has our links in it. It has our name on it. And let's click perfect timing. Okay, so when we click that perfect timing, there's going to be a little button right here in the bottom right that flashes up and it says send. You guys use that to send your email, right? That's what you guys want to do. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to open up our second account. So again, what I like to do is go up to the top, right click, hit duplicate, and then go over here to the account and log out. So you can just go and log out. If you're saving these on a document, again, you can just log out of the first one and copy and paste however you guys want to do it. But maybe you're not. So that's what we're doing this for. So let's go over to our mailing system. Let's go back to the first one and copy the body of our email. Back over to this new mailing system. We're going to scroll down, erase the stuff in the body, hold Control, press V, paste it in. Let's go get the subject line. We're going to copy that. Back over to mailing system, subject line, we're going to paste it in. Let's go to the top, select our leads. We got our subject line. We have the body of the email. It's in there. The links are in it. Our name is in it. We click perfect timing and we send that right there. Okay, bam, there we go. So we're scooting through these pretty good. We're at below 10 minutes again today. I just really want you guys to focus here and envision this working for yourself, because this will over time. I know people get frustrated really early when they're starting new endeavors and nothing's happening, but I want you guys to know that if you can dedicate your time, if you actually dedicate the next 3 months to this, you're going to be amazed at what happens. You're going to be amazed. And oh, I didn't mean to flip over to this page. I wanted to show you something just to talk about this for a second. So let's go back to our yearly from when I started. Right here, if you look at the very beginning, starting at January 3rd. These sales are slow, almost nothing for a little while, kind of up and down, even down at one point. I lost this, somebody over here, like obviously got a refund, went back up like this, started kind of crawling up a little bit, right? Slowly starting to move up. Had some dips throughout the months. You're going to run into times when you have a dip. But now you can see where it's ramped up, and this is how it's going to go. That's the projection of this, right? This is constantly moving up and getting thicker here. So not only are we getting more sales throughout the week, but we're getting higher, more sales, but also more volume, right? We're because they're snowballing, right? The sales that we got the first month are also coming in the second month because this is recurring. So say you got 3 sales the first month, the next month you get 3 more. Now you have 6 sales that are coming in. Then you have another 3. Now you have 9 for the next month. So it slowly starts to ramp up. Okay, and this is what we're hoping for. This is how it works, and this is how we build a recurring income. That being said, we're at 10 minutes now. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified when I drop the next video. Also, you guys, if you got anything out of this or if you like this series at all, leave me a like on these videos. I really do appreciate it. If you ever need to reach out to me, feel free to reach out. And thanks a lot. I will talk to you guys later.